from EcoTwigs, and it is my goal to have 24 million plants planted in Mumbai. Not just planted, but valued, nurtured, loved and really cared for. So why 24 million? I read a research by NASA that suggested to compensate the carbon footprint of one person, let's say you, we need 9 fully grown trees. Not small plants, but 9 fully grown trees. So what is carbon footprint? It is the emission of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere through activities like driving, burning fuel, breathing, construction and so on. The population of Mumbai is 24 million. Guess how much is our tree population? It is 2.9 million. Ideally, we must have 216 million trees to maintain the ecological harmony, according to this research. But we only have 2.9. So instead of having 9 trees for one person, we have 8 people for one tree. Pretty messed up. So what is going on here? Am I crazy to make all these calculations? Or does it really matter? Many years ago, in school we read about this chapter called pollution. Learned different kinds of it, studied them for the test. That was it. Today, it's not just in the books anymore. I experience it in our very real lives. I open my weather app and it shows smoke in the indicator. And our cities are really getting coated with haze. Are we taking our air for granted? Are we gonna wait for a time where we have to wear oxygen masks and carry oxygen cylinders? We have lost our connection with nature, and it is so measurable. Diseases and mental illnesses are on the rise like never before. Somewhere in this chaos, we lost our peace of mind. When was the last time we just looked up at the sky and wondered how marvelous this planet is? Look for birds chirping in trees or chased a butterfly. Forget chasing butterflies. When was the last time you saw one? Our children will never experience any of it. We are so consumed by our white screens and somehow have become more ignorant of our surroundings. We wake up on Earth Day, Environment Day, and companies have thousands of trees, saplings planted. But do you know or even care what happens to them for the rest of the 364 days? The harsh truth is they are not well cared for, and most of them do not survive. So what's the point? We must do something better. We must be the change we want to see. So how will this change anything? If we had 24 million plants planted and well cared for in Mumbai, people would be more involved. Everywhere would become nicer to look at. Children do not do what we tell them to do, but what we show them. Children would learn. They would play with dirt and experience chasing butterflies or the thrill of watching a tomato grow. Our ecosystem would dramatically improve. Our species like the bees, butterflies, dragonflies, all of them would benefit and coexist. The place where you and I, we both live here today, was once a jungle, was once their home, and it is not anymore. Taking care of plants is one of the most therapeutic activities you can perform, and studies have shown that gardening helps you heal faster and in general will help us become happier people. It would make me so happy and ecstatic if you get a plant after watching this video. It would set the basis for the bigger change that I want to bring. It doesn't matter what others are doing, but it matters what you are doing. We can sit around and wait for something to happen. Blame the government or make excuses that I don't have enough time, or I don't have space, or I don't know how. Or we could get off our butts for once and try something that is out of our comfort zone. Not from the idea to save something, but out of love. So get a new plant now. Learn more about it, love it, nurture it, take your time out for it. Name it, pamper it like your baby, just do it. Not because you should, but because you can. With great love and respect, I invite you to help me hit my goal of having 24 million plants planted and loved in Mumbai. All you have to do is get a new plant. Really love it, take good care of it, put no chemicals in it, and log on to ecotwigs.com and register your plant so we can track our progress. I don't want to do weak things like plant more trees, save the earth, blah blah. We've tried that and we can see how far we've come with it. I want to set a goal and achieve it. And I cannot do it by myself. It'd be really cool if I could, but I need your help. I'm here to help you and guide you with more videos and answer any questions that you all have. Just ask our experts on our support page. Go to our website. Please use the hashtag 24millionplants on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I would love to see all your plant pictures. Let's make this happen.